Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to cut your audio in CapCut. We will start by entering our CapCut app and opening a new or already created project. Afterwards, you will be able to add the soundtrack if you have not already done so from audio. Then we'll choose a way to add it. After that, you will be able to choose a sound source to add it. You can choose suggested sounds or load them from files on your device. Click on the sound you want and add it. Once we have added it, you can start cutting the duration of the audio. To do this, you have both a marker at the beginning and another at the end to indicate when the track begins and when it ends. If what you want is to work by trimming parts of the audio, you will have to go to the part to be cut, and with the track selected, click on Split. You will see that this generates a cut separating it from the general track. Make another cut if you want to create a separate piece of audio and delete it if you want it not to appear. Place the audio track after the cuts to adapt it to your project. Finally, you can export your project when you're done. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.